Once the blooming is over, it is a good idea to prune your lavender for it to keep a compact bearing and increase the blooming in the next season. First, remove wilted flowers by cutting the stalks at the base. You can use long shears to speed this work up. Never cut your lavender on old wood, because new shoots can't grow back from old wood. You must thus always keep a pair of live green leaves on a stem, because this is where new branches will grow from. Cut old wood directly at the base to promote growth of young shoots. You must clear out the heart of the plant to let the sun filter through and support the following year's blooming. Cut back to the first green leaves on old wood to promote branching and remove excess clutter with a long shears to have a harmonious shape.